Hi, Bean Beauties, Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Well, let me tell you. Oh, you'll probably, hopefully, have already seen my car unboxing. If not, there's one coming up, and it's
Cray.
I did a live with Cami. I had kind of mentioned on the live that, and I mentioned in the car video that I still have like unpacking to do, and I still have packing all over the table. And so that for my live with Cami, I just kind of shoved everything over to one side and was able to zoom in enough to where it didn't look messy and what have you. But you know what? This is real life, y'all. Today, I have to get some more videos recorded. This is May, and May is LV unboxing month for me. So I've got some new pieces that I've been paying on for like a long time. I mean, about 6 months. I was paying on them, had them in the layaway from various resources that I sourced them from in anticipation of hitting my 500 sub mark. And y'all are so wonderful to me. Y'all just warmed my heart that came super fast. So it came so fast that I didn't have time to pay off those until just recently. And you know me, I like to do collection videos of a different sort. So that's what this is. I love to do a good series. And so the series I'm going to be doing is LV month, LV unboxing month, and hopefully y'all have seen the videos. These are going to come at the end. So this one is a cute little baggie, which I got. And actually I sourced this from none other than Ed Braun himself. Let's see if I can get into this. If you were on Caleb's live in earlier in May on Thursday, which was the first Thursday of the month, the same day that I had a live with Cami, they went live a few hours after I was on with Cami, and I mentioned that I had lost a bag. Well, this is the bag that I lost, and I finally found it, and I was like, oh, thank goodness. Everybody was praying for me and sending out the good wishes that I found it, and I finally found it. So here it is. Isn't it cute? So it is, I want to say that it's a Sarah wallet, but I could be wrong. And did I check before? No, I didn't. It's a wallet from LV, pre-loved wallet, and this is what it looks like. He converted it so that it would be like a WOC, and I thought the chain came with it. Oh, it did. Now he did say that the zipper pull was broken right here. That the zipper pull was broken, and I figured that's okay. I figured I could, just kind of live with it, and maybe I'll send it to an LV store, or maybe I can take it when I take it with me to Chicago, when I go to Chicago and we visit the LV store and see what they say. So yes, he did include the chain, and that's so cute. So here it is, and it's in really great condition other than the zipper pull. Here it is right here, and I love a big wallet. And I'm hoping that my cell phone will fit in here. I didn't ask him to check, and it's not sticky or anything. And here, I don't know, maybe we can see together if it tells you. My eyes are so bad that I can't tell where it's from. And I don't know if these have date codes in these or not. All you LV lovers, I don't think so. I don't see another tag or anything that I can see. It's dark in here. It's dark in here. But let me get my cell phone casey thing. Hold on. Ta-da! Okay, so let's see together if it's going to fit. Oh, yay! Awesome, perfect. So this will definitely be a good, let's see if it closes, how it feels if it closes. It's gonna be a little tight. on the closure. It's going to be a little tight on the closure. Yeah. So it fits, but I don't know if I can get it to snap. Let me see if I move it to the front, because I'm going to need to put at least some cash or some, card or two in. It might be where the phone is. Oh, I was able to close it. Now my fingers just don't work. I think I'm able to close it. Yes. Yes. Did y'all hear the snap? I was able to close it in the front. And what I did is I put it here in the front, and then I made sure it was behind the gusset so that the gusset would fold in front of it, and then that helped. I wonder if I do that with the back, if that would help, making sure that the gusset is behind, is like, because I think I had it between the gussets. So let's see. Oh, yes, and it closed as well too. Yay! So he had this on his community post, and I forget how much he said he paid, how much he was asking for it. I think he let me do a little bit of a payment plan on it. I think I did a small payment plan on it, put a deposit down to hold it, and then but I shouldn't say that because these are BFF things, so I shouldn't say that. So if you don't get that opportunity, I'm sorry, but this is a BFF thing. Isn't that cute? I need to do some mod shots. Let's see if I can do them. Ooh. Oh, it feels like in a good position. Let me see if I can get far enough back. Oh yeah. Okay, there you can only see this. So now you're gonna see all the mess. All this stuff is still from the suitcases. I've taken it out of the suitcase, and at least it's over here. But when I tell you that my table in this area is our catch-all or everything all, it literally, you have to go through here to get to my kitchen. It's what it is. But look at that. You did such a great job, Ed. Look at that. It's so cute. So yeah, I can put it all the way over on here, and it definitely won't bother, put my arms here. I always like to carry my purses and handbags, everything, kind of just a little bit to the front for security purposes. And I, kind of usually hold on to it this way. But this is kind of cute. It's like, just even on here, like this, like that. I like that. What do y'all think? A bum bag. Let's see. Kind of wear it like a bum bag. Actually, that's not too bad. Looks kind of silly. Looks kind of silly. But, there's various ways. This is probably definitely how I'll wear it, be able to wear it. So see here, I can wear it like this, which is what I'm planning to wear it as. But when I travel, I can put this in my bags, one of my other bags, and then I can just whip this out, and when I just need a wallet and just to go here and there, it will work. Yay! Love it, Ed, love it. So hope y'all enjoy this little unboxing, Beanbeauties. This one will be a short one for y'all, hopefully. Maybe, I don't know. You know me, I talk. Nothing's ever short on my channel. If you come here for a short video, yeah, sorry. Very rarely that it happens. But isn't that pretty? That's cute. Very cute. The price was definitely right. He priced it accordingly because of the broken zipper, and everything else is like in great condition. So the sides were in great condition. So definitely a keeper. And like I said, maybe when I go to the LV store in Chicago, that maybe we can see about getting it fixed, maybe. But then again, maybe not. Maybe not, because then that means they'll keep it for a little while, then send it back like 6 months later, and I'm very impatient. I do have another bag that it came. It was a definitely wish list item for me, a contemporary bag that I purchased off of Ed, and it just arrived today. But you probably won't see that for a while, but stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay, Bean Beauties, we will see you on the next unboxing of whatever it is. Whatever it is. All right, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Bye-bye.